Hello friends, welcome to Midas Touch Greens. My name is Vandana Jain. I'm an interior stylist, Vastu consultant, numerologist, color consultant and an Astro Vastu researcher. Today we are here to wish all of you all a very happy and healthy Chhath Puja. Chhath Puja this year has given me time to understand the meaning of this particular celebration. This celebration marks respect, honor the existence of solar deity Sun. And Sun, God, is the source of everything. He is the source and He is the end. So this festival is to offer argh to Him, offer water, take a holy dip in the water, to take a bow by mind and body, to be strengthening yourself and to thank God for light and life on planet Earth. I was just trying to understand the meaning of this whole celebration. Then I realized in this particular celebration we don't pray idols, हम मूर्ति पूजा नहीं करते. और इस particular celebration में सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी सोलर डेटी, सूर्य देवता को, जल देवता को, वायु देवता को, उषा को और उनकी छोटी बहन सूर्य देवता की छोटी बहन छठी मैया को हम पूजते हैं. हम थैंक्स करते हैं, हम उनको ऑनर करते हैं for all the bounties that they have showered on planet Earth, and we promise that we'll make it more healthier for the coming generations. What I've loved about this particular celebration is this, that we have acknowledged the existence of natural powers and energies, and one of the biggest source of energy in the universe is Lord Surya. So today is the day to revere him, to honor him. I wish and hope that we can all learn from this day to respect the natural Panchatattva or the natural elements, and then we can always be celebrating the joy of their existence. छठ पूजा में सूर्य देवता जो यूनिवर्स की सबसे बड़ी एनर्जी है और जल देवता को बहुत ज़्यादा प्रे किया जाता है. जल के बिना पृथ्वी अधूरी, जल के बिना आपकी बॉडी अधूरी, सूरज के बिना यूनिवर्स अधूरा. ऐसी दोनों चीज़ें जो सबसे ताकतवर हैं, उन दोनों को बहुत रिस्पेक्ट दिया जाता है छठ पूजा में. Also, it is to tell you that you do not have to follow a fast or observe the fast to strengthen your mind. In Chhath Puja, you involve your body. You actually get down into river, stand there for hours, that to be in cold water, to respect and to pledge to honor the existing energies and the powerful elements of nature. I hope this particular festival has given you another reason to love Indian civilization and their practices and the way they pray nature and environment. Hope this has given you more reasons to fall in love with nature. And this marks a new beginning of health and prosperity for everybody in your lives. Have a very good and a prosperous day. Happy Chhath Puja to everybody. Thank you.